Fix Hot Wheels Unleashed Fatal Error on Epic Games. How to fix Hot Wheels Unleashed Fatal Error on Epic Games. So if you are experiencing a fatal error while trying to play Hot Wheels Unleashed on Epic Games, here are several troubleshooting steps you can follow. Number one, verify game files. So corrupted or missing files are a common cause of a fatal error. You can fix this by verifying the game files. Now, how to do that? The steps to be following that. Number one, open the file Epic Games Launcher. Go to your library. Click on the three dots next to Hot Wheels Unleashed and select Verify. Number four, wait for the process to complete and try launching the game again. Number two, upgrade the graphic driver. So outdated or incompatible graphics drivers can cause a fatal error. Steps. Now to following the steps, number one, identify your GPU, example NVIDIA, AMD or Intel. Number two, visit the official websites, or if you have NVIDIA, go and open your NVIDIA driver launcher to update the NVIDIA. The AMD too, go to their official website as the Intel too. Number three, download and install the latest drivers, and four, restart your computer and launch the game. Number three, run the game as administrator. Sometimes the game may require administrator or privileges. Steps number one, locate the Hot Wheels Unleashed executable file, and it's like usual found in C, program files, Epic Games, Hot Wheels Unleashed. Number two, right click on the file and select the properties. Number three, go to compatibility tab. Number four, check run this program as administrator and click on OK. Number five, launch the game from the Epic Games Launcher. And the solution number four, disable overlays. Overlays from apps like Discord, GeForce Experience, or Steam can interface with or interfere with the game. Steps to follow. Number one, for Discord, open Discord, go to settings and click on game overlay. Toggle off enable in-game overlay. Number two, for the GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, go to settings, go and click on general, toggle off in-game overlay. Number three, restart the game after disabling overlays. Number five, step number five, check for Windows updates. Of course, make sure to update your Windows. First, press on Windows key plus I to open settings, go to update and security, click on Windows update. After that, click on click to for updates, and after that, install any pending updates and restart your computer, or you will find it here after you click on it. They will redirect you directly. You can click on check updates. If you find any updates, you can update your Windows. Step number six, reinstall the game. If none of the above methods works, reinstall the game can help. Steps to follow. Number one, open the Epic Game Launcher, go to library and uninstall Hot Wheels Unleashed. Number three, restart your computer. Number four, reinstall the game from the Epic Game Launcher. Number seven, contact support. If the error persists, reach out to the Epic Games support or the Hot Wheels Unleashed support team. Provide details information about the issue, including error logs or screenshots if possible. So by following these steps, you should be able to resolve the fatal error and get back to enjoying Hot Wheels Unleashed. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.